So in the start of this video series, I have talked about how we can create modules, and in one of the videos, I have talked about how we can use the inbuilt modules of Node.js in our application. And in this video, we are going to talk about how we can import and use external or third-party modules which are created and uploaded to NPM. We will also talk about how exactly NPM works. We are also going to talk about package.json file created in our application. Hey everyone, this is Kamran and I'm a full stack web developer. I am an experienced Node.js developer. So I am creating this video series to teach Node.js to beginners. So now let's talk about how we can import and use external modules. So we are going to take one of the modules and we are going to import it, and we'll see how we are going to use it, right? So as we are building a web application, we are going to use Express.js, which is a complete different JavaScript framework which we use to create HTTP servers. So first I'm going to install the Express.js inside our application, and then I'm going to import it and use it. So let's do that. So first let's do some cleaning. So I'm going to clear up this file, and I'm going to delete some other files which we created in our last videos. We have to keep in mind that we never delete this package.json. And now in this server.js, I'm going to add the Express.js. So for that, first I have to install it. So let's go to terminal and let's see how to install any external module. So from the terminal, you have to be in your project folder, and here you have to use the npm command to install any external package. So now I would like to give a brief introduction of NPM as well. NPM is a node package manager. Let's say I'm creating any module or package which I want everyone else to use. So I am going to keep it open source, like open to everyone who can make edits and improve that. And you can also install others package from there and use it in your project. And Express is one of those projects which is widely used by other projects. So let's now try to install Express.js from the npm. So for that, I'm going to use npm install, or you can simply say npm I, and you have to give the name of the package you want to install. So right now I want to install Express, then I'm going to use that. So here, if you don't specify the version name of that application, then it will install the latest one, or else you can simply say @ and you can specify the specific version which you want to install, like this. So you can just simply say that I want to install the Express in 1.0.0. We are not going to install any specific version. We are just going to install the latest one. So I can do that, and here are some flags we have to add in order to save it in the package.json as well. So for that, you can use as -- save. So once you do that, this Express module will be installed in your application. This will also be get listed in your package.json file. So once you go to your application, you will notice that there is a new folder created over here. Folder name will be node_modules. So all the modules which you install explicitly will be kept inside this. And here, if you open, you will see a lot of package over here. But the question is, if we have only installed the Express.js, how other packages are installed? The rest of the other modules are the dependencies of this Express.js. Yeah, I know this is an issue, and to avoid this, we already have a solution. So I have talked about the solution in one of our video. You can check out that video. So now let's check our package.json. So package.json is a place where all the dependencies are listed. So here we can see the Express 4.18.1, which is the latest one, is added to our application. So this means that the packages will always carry this Express.js and its version. So why do we do this? So this package.json is helpful when you share this whole application with others. So let's say you are going to share the whole application, then it will be a lot of packages in the node modules, right? So there is a solution. So the solution is package.json. So you never share your node modules with anyone. You just share the package.json in your application, and this package.json contains all the dependencies of your application. Once you install all the dependency, then the node modules will be created by itself in their local. So in that way, the sharing of application is far easier and lighter. Now I have Express.js in my local node module, so I can use that, right? So let's try to import that. Importing an external module is same as how we import our internal packages. How we imported the fs, similar way we are going to import the express as well. So let me define a constant name as express, and I'm going to import our package inside this. This is how you import an external package as well, and then this express you can use throughout your application. So as I already said, express is used to create an http server. So let's create that. So along with express, we are going to use an internal library as well, which is the http library. So let's import that as well. So I'm going to import http, and that http we can use to create the http server. Now I'm going to create a new application using this express. So that will be just a app, and the express will be new method to it, and this will return a new app. And now I'm going to create an http server and get it into a variable http server. So for that, I'm going to use the http package. Then the function method to use the method to create a server is http dot server, and you have to pass the express app inside this. And now this http server will behave as a server for you. So we have to listen this server at any port, right? So what we are going to say, we are going to say http server dot listen, and we are going to pass the port over here. The port will be, let's say we are going to use 5000 for now, and also we have to pass the callback. And in the callback, we are going to simply say that we are listening to the http server on 5000. So 5000 is the port, right? So till now you have learned about how you can import any external library as Express. After importing, how you can simply use this. So this is the simplest application which I can show you. So let's try to run this and see the output. So here I'm going to just say npm start, which will run our script, and this script will create an HTTP server listening on 5000. So this is a simple HTTP server which created using Express.js framework. So we are not going to get into the detail of the Express.js over here. From this video, we just have to learn that how to we can import an external library or a module and use it in our project. And hope you understood that. So there are lots of other packages which you can install, import and use in your application. Thanks for watching the whole video. If you are totally new here, I would suggest you to hit the subscribe button down there. Thanks everyone. Happy coding everyone. See you in the next video.